how to trim your Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Instagram and then you need to go to the plus icon on the bottom and then set it to reel. You cannot edit your story from the story settings, so you have to change it to reel and then choose the story and then hit next. And now here you'll find various editing options. Tap on edit video and then from here tap on the timeline, and then here you can just drag the yellow borders and then just trim it up. Or if you want to trim the middle section of the video, then go to the start and then tap on split and go to the end again and tap on split again, and then tap on the section that you split, and then you'll need to swipe to the left and delete it. So this is how you trim your video, and then you can post it on your story. What you can do is you can just go to the arrow on the top right, and then you can save it up and then put it on your story. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.